Ever wondered how to choose the right soil and containers for portobello mushroom cultivation? The secret to a bountiful harvest lies in these simple choices. Making the right decisions can set you up for success. Stay tuned to find out how you can make the best choices for your portobello mushroom cultivation. The first step in cultivating portobello mushrooms is selecting the correct soil. Like all fungi, these mushrooms thrive in soil that's teeming with organic matter. Compost or well-rotted manure can provide this essential nutrient base. But it's not just about the nutrients, the soil also needs to drain well. Mushrooms love moisture, but too much water can lead to rot and disease. Soils with high clay content are a no-go as they retain too much water. Additionally, portobello mushrooms prefer a neutral pH, so it's crucial to keep this in mind when preparing your soil. Remember, a well-drained, nutrient-rich soil is the key to successful portobello mushroom growth. Now that you've got the soil down, let's move on to choosing the right containers. The size and material of your container can significantly impact your harvest. Larger containers offer more room for your portobellos to grow, thus yielding a more bountiful crop. As for the material, opt for non-porous ones. These containers prevent excess water retention, maintaining an ideal moisture level for your mushrooms. Remember, selecting a large, non-porous container will give your portobello mushrooms the space and environment they need to thrive. Now you are equipped with the knowledge to choose the right soil and containers for your portobello mushroom cultivation. Remember, nutrient-rich, well-draining soil and spacious, dark containers are your keys to a bountiful harvest. With these tips, you can start your mushroom cultivation journey with confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy mushroom cultivation!